government they talk say they want peace, so. But every day not tears for east we they see you. Mothers they cry, children they fear road. Soldier everywhere yet blood still they flow. Who carry fire come our line? Who turn brothers against themselves? If justice they, why people still they shout? Why innocent people still they die?
Now them cause the insecurity. Now bad government bring the suffering. When people cry, them no one listen. But then go quick send me enter village, oh. Biafra land no ask for what. People just want make them hear their voice. But oppression done too much, and silence no fit till the pain again.
Oh Nigeria, hear the people cry. Too much pain and too many lies. You cannot plan to violence and expect peace to grow.
Oh government, stop the bloodshed now. Justice will calm the people down. Because insecurity no start today, and I feel leadership light the fire.
Every checkpoint fear for road. Every young boy now them suspect. Families scatter, businesses die. Still them say everything they know.
If government truly want peace, make them start with truth and justice. Because first no fit unite people, only fairness fit heal the nation. No. Oh Nigeria, listen today. The people don't tire for the pain. No be bullets go bring solution. Now justice go heal the land. Yeah. Oh, oh.